Hey guys, we received this AOOSY serving spoon for test and try. These are the serving spoon three pieces and the slotted spoon three pieces with a black matte finish. So you can see it here. It's a very nice color and the design and the nice quality. So let me just take it out and show it to you as well. So this is gel coated and with the matte feel. With this, it's around 8.7 inches with a matte black and a utility advanced performance skimmer with a perforated thing. So it's like a 8 and a quarter stainless steel black and a serving spoon. So it can be used with a buffet and stuff. So you can see this is a slotted one, round corners. There is no issue with the pinching and the use. Easy to clean, easy to use, and then with the black steel. So it's around 8.7 inches, 0.79 inches in the width, and then the top, the front or the spoon part is a 2.09 inches. And then the same thing with the other spoon, very nice quality as you can see it here. And then below, like the spoon part is 2.09 inches in the width, and the handle part is a 0.79 inches in the width. So total it is 8.7 inches in the length. And then with the material, so no issues, nothing, and quality premium material can be used to serve. And then round corner and a nice set. So this is perfect for serving or be used in your kitchen for anything or the any purpose you want.